Hello language learners, welcome back to our channel, Vocab and Phrases, where learning English is fun and easy. As you know, we have started a vocabulary series on this channel and today is episode 4. We hope this series will help you in your English learning journey and be more confident in every conversation.
We would love for you to be a part of this series. Comment below with any words you've been struggling to learn or any topics you want me to cover. I will try to cover it in coming videos. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and notification bell so that you never miss new episodes. So, let's get started and make English simple together.
Well, today we will learn 5 new words and also learn how to use them in sentences. And these words are shrug, perplexed, yawn, drowsy, and dizzy.
Shrug. A shrug typically refers to a gesture where you raise both shoulders to indicate uncertainty, indifference, or a lack of knowledge. Do you know where my keys are? I have no idea.
Do you think it'll rain today? I'm not sure. Perplexed. Perplexed means feeling confused or unsure due to something being difficult to understand. I don't understand this math problem. I'm perplexed too. It's really complicated. Why would she leave without saying goodbye? I'm perplexed by that decision.
Yawn. A yawn is the act of opening your mouth wide and taking a deep breath, often because of tiredness, boredom, or drowsiness.
After a long day at work, Sarah couldn't stop yawning.
The lecture was so boring that many students started yawning.
Drowsy. Drowsy means feeling sleepy or tired, often ready to fall asleep. Example. After staying up late, I felt really drowsy during my morning meeting. The warm weather made everyone feel drowsy in the afternoon.
Dizzy. Dizzy means feeling lightheaded or unsteady, often as if the surroundings are spinning. Example. She felt dizzy when she stood up too quickly after lying down. After spinning around a few times, I felt dizzy and had to sit down.